Good morning. We are at the Warner Brothers Harry Potter studio. We're inside right now. We just got inside, but Alan's just going to show you how we got here first.
We started here at the London Bridge station. 5 stops on the Northern Line from London Bridge to Euston. Now we take an actual train from this station to Watson Junction. Alright, now we've collected our tickets. We are going to the Overground. It takes about 45 minutes to get to Watson Junction. So we arrived here at Watford Junction. Now we have to transfer to a bus. Now we transfer to this bus that takes us directly to the Harry Potter Studios. Quick 20-minute trip on this bus. Alright, and then just like that, we are here. Alright, we are Gryffindor House. We have our scarves, and now we are about to go on our tour.
Amazing.
Alright, so we're now here in the lot sets area. So it's just all the different sets and props and everything that they use for all the movies. I mean, this place is huge. So we're just gonna show a lot of clips of B-roll and hope you guys enjoy our experience here at the WB Studios making of Harry Potter.
This hallway from the Wizard Pub and Inn was designed using a visual technique called forced perspective, which makes it appear to be more than 50 feet long on screen. See for yourself if it looks 50 feet long.
So this type of snow you use for outside buildings.
Outside.
Inside, outside. And then that's for walking sound effects.
But why?
This is the Gryffindor dormitory.
There we go, brilliant.
Being here in the studio tour gives you a much better appreciation of all the things that go into making a movie. It takes all kinds of different props and special effects, visual effects, all kinds of stuff. Yeah, it takes months and years to film the movies, and yeah, all this stuff is so cool.
This is incredible. I am geeking out.
Alright guys.
Hogwarts! Off to Hogwarts!
Guys, this is a full-scale model of the Hogwarts Express. This is super cool. Oh my gosh. They have all different kinds of cars for each different movie. Like this one is Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. This one is the Order of Phoenix. So throughout this entire tour, there's various gift shops. You know, the Forbidden Forest has a gift shop. The Hogwarts Express here has a gift shop. So it's pretty cool. Apparently there's items here that you can only get here. We don't know exactly which ones those are, but all the items here are so cool. So these are the green screens of the interiors of the carriages where they actually did all the filming. Alright, so here is the Backlot Cafe. You can get butterbeer. There's also a bunch of tables where you can bring your own lunch, so that's what we've done. We brought our own lunch. We bought sandwiches from a shop yesterday, so we're probably just going to eat that. Food's not really expensive here either, so yeah, you don't have to bring your lunch. They sell food here, sandwiches and soups and drinks and stuff, but we're going to eat our own.
Fanatic.
Alright, so we've got a butterbeer ice cream here. We've had this in Orlando, but it's really good, so we're gonna get one. And if it's really good, we're gonna get two. Okay, so here are the backlots. They have a full-size night bus. Number 4, Privet Drive.
We're now in Diagon Alley.
Guys, this Diagon Alley is a lot more realistic than the one in Universal Studios in Orlando. Alright guys, here's the last stop on this tour.
studio tour. Everything has been incredible, every detail, it's unbelievable, magical.
Totally worth the trip to London to see this place.
Yes.